Traffic rules test. Who will pass the intersection first? Task. In what order will the vehicles pass the intersection in the situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. Tram, red car, blue car. 2. Tram, blue car, red car. 3. Blue car, red car, tram. 4. Blue car, tram, red car. 5. Red car, blue car, tram. 6. Red car, tram, blue car. Analysis of the task. At the intersection, the drivers of the red car and the tram go straight, and the driver of the blue car turns left. Traffic at the intersection is regulated by traffic lights, so we do not pay attention to the priority signs, give way, and main road in this situation. The drivers of the cars have a green traffic light, which allows movement in all directions. The tram driver has a green arrow in the additional section, which allows him to go straight ahead when the main red light is on. Usually, a tram has priority over cars on roads of equal importance, but this is not the case here. Let's read the traffic rule. When moving in the direction of the arrow in the additional section simultaneously with a yellow or red traffic light, the driver must give way to vehicles moving from other directions. Therefore, the tram driver will pass the intersection last. Cars will pass each other according to the traffic rules. When turning left or making a U-turn at a green light, the driver of a non-rail vehicle must give way to trams traveling in the same direction, as well as to vehicles traveling in the opposite direction straight ahead or turning right. Thus, the driver of the blue car turning left must yield to the red car traveling straight ahead. The correct answer is number 5, red car, blue car, tram.
Oh yeah!